Except, mangithi ezakamasho nina nizothi siqawuqawu, yazi? Ya ngithanda nonke bafethu. Except, buka, sekufika ezakamasho. Except, ezakamasho, isiqawuqawu. Sekufika ezakamasho. Except, I'm like 1, 2, except, hey, sekufika ezakamasho. Except, ezakamasho. Hey, sekufika ezakamasho. Except, ezakamasho. Hey, sekufika ezakamasho. Except, ezakamasho. Isiqawuqawu. Sekufika ezakamasho. Awuthi ngigibele phe wabo boy. Except, buka, ezami imphohlo zindonga icross amahata maseyikokotya. Simashe nomqondo zidliqhonono maseyikoka la. Okumkokotya khathana idolo maseyifothoza. Impilo yasekazi khathele kasi lizobhoda la. Angithi uyazi, ezami iphakamisa istrati basumgaqo sawuthandaza khophuza igazi lekhathi wa. Shit, mayigwinya iphilisi ibhenga kubemnandi. Ngiyaqaqa thamba izimani ibhenga seyitshontsha amawashi boy. Look, 70 predators prey purposely punching penetrates and giving damages pain. I'm penalizing all these rappers, I'm the king of the game. They say they love me on the top like that cream on the cake. uMTHO uyangibona ngiphuma ghetto now uyafothela. Ezami phila rap khalinsizwa ngathi ngise-hostel. Ku-rap game anginayo mate, vele ngiyazenzela. Ebathi uMTHO we-sick, I'm like, hey, sekufika ezakamasho. Ekuse ezakamasho. Hey, sekufika ezakamasho. Usabane ezakamasho. Ekuse, hey, sekufika ezakamasho. Ekuse ezakamasho. Hey, sekufika ezakamasho. Ekuse ilokishi asingene kubona buka. Ekuse ongikazi ngishova amakhasi ngephatshe ngixekisa imhlanzi ngekani ngiphezela imali kusinake ngididisa ibhali. Ngempela ngisipitha umageba ngekhwela ngivusa amakleva sigida namaveleba seke isikhathi zokuhleka. Imoto imali nefame ngifuna konke namathekeni. I'm busy dropping verses ngathi ngiqathaza amabhayibheli. Ekudala babesixwaya laba sibuyiselwe eceleni. Bebethi uMTHO usekisho shibiza ngabatheleni. Sengibuyile ngiyishubisa mawubhayiza ngiyafodisa ngikhathela ivalo zenu manje kudala nanesikhohlisa. Ubhizi uyayihlanyisa uzokhumula neskipa wena uhlukile neketela mawuplakile nomsindo. Yes I rap on the trap beats, jump like an athlete, pumping on the speakers with a cooler in the back seats. Home England follow no man say if you got beef. 1, 2, except hey, sekufika ezakamasho. Except ezakamasho. Hey, sekufika ezakamasho. Sekudezele boy. Ezakamasho. Hey, sekufika ezakamasho. Say ezakamasho. Hey, sekufika ezakamasho. Isinqawunqawu. Ezakamasho. Go. Shout out to TBN one time. Shout out to Team Mashu. Shout out to Mkhumbane too. Kodwa manje ishubile namhlanje. And so, let's go to another one. It's true. Yeah. Except Dubai, except Funa my mates as Bobby in Giza City Street and Dubai overseas with the squad. Cannot stop and I'm on my prime. Jalas push a stang on knees. I'm a reason to being a span. Overseas with the rhymes. Cannot stop and I'm on my prime. Funa my mates as Bobby in Giza City Street and Dubai overseas with the squad. Cannot stop and I'm on my prime. Jalas push a stang on knees. I'm a reason to being a span. Overseas with the rhymes. Cannot stop and I'm on my hey, I hustle and get in every for the family. I'm just trying to get me a bag of that cheese. Funa the man, funa my deep. Came from my mind to we call it more rare. Funa my meters, by beating these. I city street, secret cheese. Enemies, rest in peace. I do not fuck with your friend, you snitch. Check out the fabric, then doing a biz. Action figure, 7 biz of fidgets. Gang, posted by the bodega. I hustle and get it, and then I repeat it. It's funa my meters, by beating these. I city street, secret cheese. Enemies, rest in peace. I do not fuck with your friend, you snitch. Funa my meters, by beating these. I city street, and Dubai overseas with the squad. Cannot stop, and I'm on my prime. Jalas push a stang on his amaris into being a span. Overseas with the rhymes. Cannot stop, and I'm on my prime. Shout out to DBN one time. Shout out to Mkhumbane. Shout out to Team Mashu. And Team Mashu, what thing our friends? Sekufika ezakamasho. Ekuse ezakamasho. Hey, sekufika ezakamasho. One more time, ezakamasho. It's ngqawu.
All right, Mkhumbane, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? One more time, give it up for representing Mkhumbane, the C's.
Yeah. Mkhumbane, what up? Mashu, what up? Let's go. See. Listen. Yeah. Vele ngiyashisa ngomsholozi. More gods, more glory. I Gaddafi on my phone like big bucks. Believe in your rumors if you want. Go Zuma. Hey, where I grew up. Go Zuma. Umsholozi. Vele ngiyashisa ngomsholozi. More gods, more glory. I Gaddafi on my phone. Big bucks, no stories. Believe in your rumors if you want. Go Zuma. Umsholozi. If you only knew where I grew up. Go Zuma. Umsholozi. If you only knew where I grew up, and you see the way that they view us. Snakes and a ladder, man, life is a gamble. They're waiting to get you when you up. I need to get cheddar, get 24 carats, so I'm taking K's like the Ku Klux. You know I'm well connected and I'm well protected. I'm the only man that you trust. Yeah. We're bound to get technical difficulties in this bitch. Yeah. Hey. Check it. Let's go. Vele ngiyashisa ngomsholozi. More gods, more glory. I Gaddafi on my phone like big bugs. Hey, believe in your rumors if you want. Go Zuma. If you only knew where I grew up. Go Zuma. Vele ngiyashisa ngomsholozi. More gods, more glory. I Gaddafi on my phone. Big bugs, no stories. Believe in your rumors if you want. Go Zuma. Gumsholozi. If you only knew where I grew up. Go Zuma. If you only knew where I grew up, and you see the way that they view us. Snakes on a ladder, man, life is a gamble. They're waiting to get you when you up. I need to get cheddar, get 24 carats, so I'm stacking K's like the Ku Klux. You know I'm well connected and I'm well protected. I'm the only man that you trust. Gumshalos, Guzuma. They think that I'm taking it too far. They try to kill me, but they screw up. I've never given them two fucks. Hate me or love me, the one thing that's funny is you couldn't see that I'm too smart. I'm kinda like Stuggy, been juggling time bombs since the moment it blew up. Vele ngiyashisa ngomsholozi. More gods, more glory. I Gaddafi on my phone. Big bucks, no stories. Believe in your rumors if you want. Guzuma, umsholozi. If you only knew where I grew up. Guzuma. I never needed the drama, I put the principles where I see a problem. My medulla oblongata will put a price on a problem before I solve it. Go figure, I'm not your opponent, instead I put you up solely for the profits. You know I pulled you from the bottom, a smack from my palm will put you in a coffin. Protecting my family is everything, the need for survival is evident. Evolution is the key, but I'll change the lock soon as you think you're a renegade. My side of the streets, we don't argue, but put the money where the mouth is and live it up. Your side of the streets full of snitches, that's why we don't bother when y'all niggas switching up. I've been giving fucks, now I'm celibate. We'll take it if you ain't protecting it. The truth of the matter is you won't be good at anything if you ain't respecting it. Your motivation comes from jealousy. My inspiration is the medicine. A double dose on that, the recipe to disconnect for the hell of it. But that's for your benefit, y'all niggas counterfeit. Scream through your post like the Letterman. Y'all should just aim for my caliber, just under veteran. Think I'm a rookie, charging my adrenaline. That's a disaster. Scheming these rappers, I've shown you before that I'm better than. Supposedly pleased to pull and press the pedal. I'm back on my push-up, underpack the paper. My CV written in the stages. Don't water my character down for these agents. Don't put the money in the bank, you know what they say. It's smogol. They try to lock me in a cell, but I got the keys. I'm so gold. The TV's begging for my face, but what can I say? Msholos. Uzuma, Gumshalos. Yeah. What is up, Pet Center? What is up? Let's go. Yeah. You ain't got no Tupac. What, Mash? Let's go. Check it. The 2 fucks I gave, 2 clocks I ain't fake, 2 blunts when I wake. I'm too high, nigga, ayy. The $2 I paid, 2 decades no change. I'm too much like Tupac, no change. Look, I'm a businessman, don't congratulate me. I have my targets, you surprised, I've been patiently waiting. Still at my prime, so take some time to think before you face me. Told you my mind is pacing, no bitch in the world could change me.